Make general cell. So I'll put flour, cornstarch, salt, and pepper in the kitchen. Then we're gonna fry it. Right, we need oil for frying. We're gonna first fry, double fry it before we put this sauce, general so. Let's see. Double fry it. The oil, and then we're gonna add the sauce. Then maybe a tablespoon of water. The mix up. Got yourself the Chinese. So we're gonna simmer it for maybe 6 minutes, 8 minutes, and that's it. Check it later. You can add sesame seeds if you want.